How to fix high RAM or memory usage on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your high RAM and memory usage on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply press Windows and R keys together, which will open up your run. And here you need to type the name, which is sysdm.cpl, and then hit the enter. It will open up your system properties. And here you can simply go with the advanced section and then go with the performance. And under performance, you need to go with settings. And under your settings, you need to select the option of custom here. Select custom, and then you need to go and select a few options, which are these all. So you can just simply pause the video and then you can tick all of these and then go with apply and OK. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go with run again, press Windows and R keys together, and now you need to enter msconfig and go with OK or hit the enter, and you will get the system configuration section, right? So under system configuration, you need to go with the services and go with hide all Microsoft services and then disable the services that you don't use right here. And after that, the next solution is you just need to simply go with the task manager or your taskbar. Right click on your taskbar and then go with the task manager. Now under task manager, you just need to simply go with the startup apps, which is right here. So just click on startup apps, and here if you've enabled any app to the startup, then you just need to simply right click on it and then disable that. Once you've disabled, then your problem might be fixed. Or the other solution is to disable the background apps. To do that, what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings, right click on your Windows and go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with the installed apps, or you can just simply go with the app section, which is right here, and then go with the installed apps. Under installed apps, you need to select the application, any application that you don't use. Just simply go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then go with the advanced options. Under advanced option, you will have background app permissions. So you just need to simply go and turn off the background app permissions. You need to choose never, and once you've done with never, then the problem might be fixed. The other thing you need to do is again open up your services, and under your services, you will have a service which is background intelligent transfer service. You just need to simply right click on it and make sure that you've go with permissions and go with the startup type and disable that, or you can simply stop the service. And once you've done with it, you just need to simply open up your browser. And after opening your browser, you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then go with settings. Now under settings, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for memory. And you may have the memory saver option, so you just need to simply go and turn on the memory saver. Once you turn it on, this might also fix your problem. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.